number line. Number lines are used on the test quite a bit. They show distance. This is what number lines are usually used for. You can think of it like measuring tape or a ruler. Usually it's just to try to show physical distance. So when you look at these rulers or these distances, this measuring tape, it's not going to be the same every time. And you wouldn't want to make that assumption. What you would want to do is take a look at each number. For instance, this first number in this number line shows as 900. The second number shown is 910. Well, what we need to do is figure out first what is the interval. That's a vocabulary word. Now, interval means how is it jumping? And intervals are always equal. For instance, it's moving from this number, goes to this number. You would say, oh, well, it looks like it increased by 10. It did. Well, let's verify. If I go from this number to the next number, is this rule also the same? Yeah, it increased by another 10. So the interval it's showing every 10. Now, what you'll want to notice is this. What about in between? Now, you'll notice that this distance is already broken into segments. Segments are pieces, or how each segment, each piece. Now, you'll want to count these usually. So this first one here is 900. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it also matches this increase. So there's 10 segments or 10 pieces between each interval. So what they're asking me is, if I'm here, where is that? Well, my number is going to be between 940 and 950, but it's pointing to a specific spot right here. So I want to count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like it's 944. This one. Now, you never want to assume that every time you move to the next or another number line that it'll be broken into the same interval or with the same segments. You'll always want to verify. For instance, let's check our next one. Starts at 720, goes to 730. So it's showing me intervals of 10. That means it's increasing by 10. Let's check the segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each segment is also a unit or one piece. So there are 10 segments between each number. So I would come here and say, well, where is this? You would say, well, I know it's definitely between 780 and 790, but you need to count each segment to figure out exactly where. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 788.